Well, it has been 4 months since Ajit Singh's tenure as a parliamentarian ended. He's not even a mantri right now. But this VVIP squatter has insisted on holding on to his sprawling bungalow at 12 Tughlaq Road, the maintenance of which is paid for by you and me. What is unbelievable is that along with his supporters, most of whom doubled up as political goons, he is hiding behind a memorial bogey tonight. As he flexes his political muscle, is forcibly throwing him out, the only option now left.
These people are not facing these brutal water cannons, fighting for their rights. They aren't bearing these lathis in appeal of justice. These 200 RLD and Bharatiya Kisan Union workers, propped up by a VVIP squatter, shamelessly flexing his political muscle.
We are at Gang Vihar water barrage. As you can see, supporters of Bharat Kisan Union and Ajit Singh have gathered here in large number. They in fact want to break through the barricade and try stopping the water supply that goes to Delhi.
In what seemed a pre-planned move, VVIP squatter Ajit Singh's supporters threatening to cut the water supply to the national capital. Just days after the Delhi civic body officials cut water supplies of the former union minister's house.
जो चौधरी चरण सिंह की स्मारक है 12 तुगलक रोड दिल्ली में, उसका बिजली और पानी काट दिया। हमने भी सरकारों को ये कहा भाई हम दिल्ली में नहीं आने देंगे अगर आप हमारे कोठी का काटोगे।
But now, in an outrageous attempt to arm twist the centre, this brazen VVIP squatter going a step further, trying to build an emotional argument for not vacating the 1.5-acre bungalow.
Memories, the feelings of lakhs of farmers are attached to this house. Okay. Because my father lived here.
If father's reasoning wasn't enough, son too invoking his grandfather's legacy to justify his VVIP squatter father.
सवाल ये है कि चौधरी चरण सिंह जी के लिए एक यादगार, एक स्मारक के रूप में जगह पहले से रही है। जो भी यहाँ लोग मिलने आते थे, सिर्फ मुझसे मिलने नहीं आते थे, चौधरी अजीत सिंह जी से मिलने नहीं आते थे, इसलिए आते थे कि 36 साल से आ रहे हैं।
This banner put up here sending out a loud and clear message, that of sheer defiance. First the excuses and then the flip-flops. And with Haryana elections round the corner and Chief Minister Bhupinder Singh Hooda jumping into the cause of this house being converted into a memorial for Chaudhry Charan Singh, it is very clear that the attempt is to woo the Jat community.
Shouldn't the centre take action against Ajit Singh for holding Delhi to ransom?
He has lost this election. He does not actually represent the legacy of Charan Singh. He would not have approved of this kind of, in a way, this kind of street politics, this kind of gundagardi.
The Congress, sensing a political opportunity, backing the RLD's demand for a memorial for Chaudhry Charan Singh. Only a politically naive person wouldn't see through this VVIP squatter's desperate attempt to hold on to the plush government quarters in Lutyens, Delhi, even stooping to the low of invoking his father's legacy. With Bhavtosh in Delhi, Anand Narasimhan, Times Now.